everyone. I'm Samuel Hunter with the City of Winston-Salem's Neighborhood Services Department. Thank you for joining us today as we unveil the mural in collaboration with Arts for Everybody. We're standing at the site of the Liberty Street Vendors Market. This is city-owned property, and we're thankful that everyone is here. This has been a great project. It's been a great mural painting. I want to give recognition to the Public Arts Commission and also to the City County Utility Commission for all of their efforts during this process, so we're very thankful for them. You're going to hear representatives from the Arts Council of Winston-Salem and Forsyth County, representative from the Keenan Institute of the Arts at University of North Carolina School of the Arts. You'll hear from someone at United Health Centers, and you'll also hear from Ernell Martinez, the lead artist for the mural. We will open the floor for questions after we get done. I'll turn it over to Shannon Stokes with the Arts Council of Winston-Salem, Forsyth County.
Good morning. My name is Shannon Stokes. I'm the Vice President of Strategy and Community Impact at Arts Council of Winston-Salem in Forsyth County. And we are thrilled to be a part of this project that we have partnered with the local site team of cohort on for Arts for Everybody. And so you'll hear from other site team members. But I just want to say Arts Council is the first arts council in the nation, and we are celebrating 75 years this year. And this is such an important part of our mission because we believe arts and culture is a tool to bring community together, to break down barriers, and to promote systems change. And so we're thrilled to be a part of this project and use this opportunity for Arts for Everybody to uplift community, to show that healthy communities can be a possibility. We want to thank the City of Winston-Salem for their investment through transformational ARPA funds. These are dollars that help communities that have been impacted greatly by the pandemic and recovery. And so you'll be able to see that, how we use those dollars in community with this mural project here today, but then also what we've been doing the last 2 years in community with specific groups, the Happy Hill neighborhood, as well as Choice neighborhood and Boston Thurman. And then this weekend, we'll be hosting our Creative Wellness Community Day in partnership with our local site team for Arts for Everybody. It'll be hosted at United Health Centers from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I am going to pass it over to one of our lead cohort members, Kevin Bitterman with Thomas S. Keenan Institute for the Arts at University of North Carolina School of the Arts. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kevin Bitterman, and I serve as Executive Director of the Thomas S. Keenan Institute for the Arts at the University of North Carolina School of the Arts, where we incubate and accelerate creativity at the intersection of the UNCSA campus and the larger creative ecology. Health and wellness to the arts has really been a core component of the work at UNCSA, both for our students and the community through the Keenan Institute for the Arts. Investing and participating in projects like Arts for Everybody is really allowing us to ensure that future generations of students and artists really understand the resonance of their creativity in community, and also the importance of focusing on their own wellness and well-being, both mental and physical. As Samuel and Shannon mentioned earlier, this week marks the culmination of almost 2 years of deep collaboration and partnership at a local level as well as a national level. Through this project, we've been bringing together arts, public health, and municipal sectors to really highlight the relationship between arts and health. And research has been central to this work. The national One Nation, One Project initiative includes researchers from the Center of Arts and Medicine at the University of Florida, who've been working with us to support our local efforts to really gather data and better understand some of the disparities around health in our local community. We've also invited residents from Winston-Salem and Forsyth County to participate in a national study that's exploring how arts participation can impact and benefit the social cohesion and well-being of communities. One project that we've been working on throughout the past year has been convening a group of local artists to serve as an advisory committee on this project. And early in that process, our community advisory group participated in what's called a data poem, where they were asked to share the sights, the sounds, and the smells of Winston-Salem. And from that kind of gathering of information of sights, sounds, and smells, a poem was created. And that poem has actually been part of the source material for the mural, or the text that you're going to see in the mural that our artist, Ernell Martinez, is going to be speaking about shortly. With this, I want to invite Rob Brown to the podium from United Health Centers, who has been our local community health partner on this project.
Thanks, Kevin. Great morning, everyone. I'm really excited to be here. I am Rod Brown, the CEO of United Health Centers, where we are providing equitable health care for the underserved. When we have our leadership meetings with our team, and with our staffs, one of the things that we're constantly trying to figure out is how do we create irresistible offers for our staff, irresistible offers for our patients, and also irresistible offers for our community. I don't know if you guys have had a chance yet to see the mural, but if you haven't, please get down here to see this mural. It's incredible. It's a culmination of so many different organizations and individuals coming together with ideas that will speak to generations to come. And something that's really important to me is legacy in anything and everything that I do. And I'm so excited that this mural has become a part of my legacy, the city of Winston-Salem's legacy, this community's legacy, period. So I'm super happy to be here, rain or shine. And today we picked the rain. At United Health Centers, again, we provide equitable health care for people who are typically underserved. We provide medical services, we provide dental services, behavioral health services, as well as having an in-house pharmacy. There's a direct correlation with art and what art brings in all forms of art and healthcare. And again, we're just excited to be a part of this project. And I want to thank everyone that was a part of this project, and thank you for inviting us to be a part of the project. And I think I have the absolute best job today, and that is introducing our visionary artist. And with that, I want to introduce and bring up Mr. Ernell Martinez.
Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for the warm introduction. I appreciate that. Obviously we wish we had better weather today, but it is what it is. First, let me just like to thank everyone involved with this project. Although my name is on the mural, we all know making any kind of public art is community-based. It's a team effort. So I want to acknowledge everyone involved. And this process has been a really wonderful experience for me as an artist. I've been fortunate enough to be doing this for 20 plus years. So getting the chance to do a big project here in Winston-Salem has been a blessing. This project is really not only about decorating a city, it's about telling stories. And, the mural itself is a manifestation of storytelling. There were several meetings with the community. I tried to have as much community feedback as possible, as much feedback from all the stakeholders in this process, just to get all the voices, and to be a really good artist, you have to be a really good listener, right? So art can bring people together, art can tell stories, but art also has the ability to heal. There's also a healing component with art making, because it's telling stories and sharing stories. And so the mural depicts not only the history of Winston-Salem, but it tells the stories of the people who've lived here for generations. And my contribution to this project is not only visualizing it, but actually just capturing those stories, but leaving something that could last and tell those stories and keep those stories relevant. So as folks drive by the highways, people drive by Liberty or 14th, you'll see this mural, hopefully for decades to come. I'm really want to take a second to thank some really integral people in the process. I've had the opportunity to make some new friends and relationships with this project. Without Samuel's, Mr. Hunter's, contribution and vision for this project, it never would have happened. Isis, obviously, I want to thank you as well for being such a huge part of it. Everybody from arts and everybody involved with that program as well. And so today, we're just going to celebrate the mural. I'm still doing a few touch-ups to it, but it's really important that this project tells the stories, capture the stories, but also encourage young people to be creative in their own capacities in the future. I'm going to hand the mic off to whoever's next. Sam, you can close it out. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you coming.
So you heard from a lot of integral stakeholders during this process as well. I'd be remiss if I didn't acknowledge Forsyth County Health and Behavioral Services. They've been integral during this entire process. Denise Price, Deputy County Manager, she's part of the local site team as well. She's traveling today, but we're very thankful for them and all of their input as well. So we're going to close it there. If you all have any questions about the water tank itself, how it functions, we do have some representatives from City County Utilities present as well. But if you don't have any other questions, we'll close it off. Thank you.